Hi there, and welcome to the first lesson from Yacine's English Toons. In this session, I'll be asking you several questions to help you practice your English speaking skills. Make sure to answer each question with a full sentence. For instance, if the question is, "Do unicorns exist?" Don't just reply with no. That's too brief and won't help you improve your speaking. Instead, you could say, "No, unicorns don't exist," or "No, they aren't real." If I ask, "Is the ocean blue or green?" Don't just say blue. That's too short. Answer the whole sentence. You could say, "The ocean is blue," or "It's blue." Both responses are fine. If you need more time to think or want to correct any mistakes, just pause the video. Okay. Let's get started. Now, I'm going to ask questions about Rex, Atlas, and Zephyr. Let's start with Rex. Is Rex a cat? No, Rex is not a cat. Is Rex a bird? No, Rex is not a bird. What kind of animal is Rex? Rex is a lion. Is Rex a snake? No, Rex isn't a snake. Is Rex a dog? No, Rex isn't a dog. What kind of animal is Rex? Rex is a lion. Is Atlas a dog as well? No, Atlas isn't a dog. What kind of animal is Atlas? Atlas is an elephant. Are Rex and Atlas tigers? No, Rex and Atlas aren't tigers. What kinds of animals are they? Well, Rex is a lion, and Atlas is an elephant. Are Rex and Atlas monkeys? No, Rex and Atlas aren't monkeys. What kinds of animals are they? Rex is a lion, and Atlas is an elephant. Are Zephyr and Rex elephants? No, Zephyr and Rex aren't elephants. Are they giraffes? No, they aren't giraffes. What kind of animals are they? Rex is a lion, and Zephyr is a giraffe. Are they birds? No, they aren't birds. What kind of animals are they? Rex is a lion, and Zephyr is a giraffe. Are Rex and Atlas female? No, Rex and Atlas aren't female. What gender are they? They're male. Are they both male? Yes, that's correct. They're both male. What about Zephyr? Is Zephyr male also? No, Zephyr isn't male. What gender is Zephyr? Zephyr is female. Is Zephyr a male giraffe? No, Zephyr isn't a male giraffe. Is Zephyr a male giraffe or a female giraffe? Yes, Zephyr is a female giraffe. Is Rex a female giraffe? No, that's ridiculous. Rex isn't a female giraffe. Who is a female giraffe? Zephyr is a female giraffe. Are Rex and Atlas female lions? No, of course not. Rex and Atlas aren't female lions. Are they male lions? Yes, that's correct. They're male lions. What color is Atlas? Is he orange? No, he's not orange. Is he purple? No, he's not purple. What color is he? He's blue. What about Rex? What color is Rex? Rex is orange. Are Rex and Atlas purple? No, Rex and Atlas aren't purple. What color are they? Rex is orange and Atlas is blue. Is Zephyr orange also? No, Zephyr isn't orange. What color is Zephyr? Zephyr is yellow. Is Rex 10 years old? Yes, Rex is 10 years old. How old is Rex? Rex is 10 years old. Are Atlas and Zephyr older than Rex? No, Atlas and Zephyr aren't older than Rex. Are Atlas and Zephyr younger than Rex? Yes, they are. Atlas and Zephyr are younger than Rex. How old are Atlas and Zephyr? Well, Atlas is 25 years old, and Zephyr is 7 years old. Is Rex younger than Atlas? Yes, Rex is younger than Atlas. Is Rex younger or older than Atlas? Rex is younger than Atlas. Is he 15 years younger than Atlas? No, he's not 15 years younger than Atlas. How much younger than Atlas is he? Well, he's 15 years younger than Atlas. Is he 20 years younger than Atlas? No, he's not 20 years younger than Atlas. All right. That was the last question. Please repeat this lesson until you can easily answer every question. Thank you for using this lesson to improve your spoken English. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to Yacine's English Tunes, and leave your comments below. I'll see you next time.